Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. So I'm back with another review, and this time I'm reviewing the very popular tool called Popup Hero. This is a tool that lets you create pop-ups for your website, and you may not know this, but pop-ups are super effective in increasing conversions, which means turning potential clients into actual ones. So there are already a lot of pop-up builders, but what makes Popup Hero different? So let's see them. The first one is it has over 100 pre-built templates, which means, as you can see on the left side, these are some of the templates. So you do not need any designing expertise or even any coding expertise. You just have to choose a template based on your business, and then you have to paste some of your text related to your business, and that is going to be enough. So it is going to save you a lot of time, and the pop-up is also gonna look super catchy because these are all high quality templates. And then you will also get the drag and drop editor, which means you can drag an image or a logo or an email collector, whatever you want. This kind of features can be added super easily just by dragging that into your pop-up. There are also some other features, such as you have a lot of integrations with Google Sheets, Map, email list builder and more. You can collect emails. There is an AI copywriter. You can also target visitors and show them specific pop-ups. A great news is Popup Hero is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, which means by paying only $29 you can get lifetime access to this amazing tool. Popup Hero is an alternative to Elfsight, Optimonk and Poptin. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description box of this video. And these are some of the features of the Appsumo deal. So you get templates, shareable link, audience targeting, reports, behavior settings and a lot of other features. And these are the two tiers that are available on this platform. So the tier 1 costs $29 and the pop-up limit is 50, whereas the tier 2 costs $119 and the pop-up limit is unlimited. Popup Hero is also available on a subscription plan, and as you can see, it has a free plan, and the pro plan costs $39 per month. So after you log into Popup Hero from its answer list platform, you will get this page, and there are some options other than Popup Hero, such as the face pop, banner and knowledge base. So let's choose Popup Hero, since it is the objective of our video. So as you can see, there is already a template selected, and if you do not like this template, you can simply go to this template section, and as you can see on the right side, there are a lot of categories, and if you are making a pop-up about a specific offer, you can choose this special offer option. There are also pop-ups for collecting emails, social media booster, offer coupon code. So let's choose this collect emails, and then let's choose this blue one. So as you can see, this is a pre-built pop-up or a template, and this whole pop-up is customizable. So you can customize this text, the background, these buttons. So first let's go to the AI content writer. To use this AI content writer, you first have to write a prompt in this box, which means you have to provide details about your pop-up, and then you can click on write headline, write paragraph or write email collector. And as you can see, Popup Hero recommends using headlines because it provides the best result. So after you type in a prompt, and then you can simply click on write headline, and you will get a very catchy headline from Popup Hero's AI, and then you can simply click on apply. So let's go to the next section, which is the builder. So from here you can write your headline, the paragraph, also the email collector. So let's write the headline, click on this pencil icon, and as you can see, the above text, which means this text, has appeared on this headline. So you can change it. Let's just keep it get latest updates. You can choose the text side, the font. Let's choose this font. You can also choose the color, and you can even change the font size. There are also some other options, the top, bottom, left and right padding. So once all the settings are done, you just have to click on save, and as you can see, the text has been changed to get the latest updates. And now it's time for the paragraph, which means this text. So let's click on this edit block, and then let's remove some parts. Once again, you have some options to format your text. You can also make it bold. You can even add link or URL or even emoji. So after adjusting your settings, click on save, and as you can see, the paragraph has also changed. And now a great feature of Popup Hero is that you can even connect an email marketing platform with your Popup Hero. which means the email you collect from this box on your website, they can be directly sent to that platform, the email marketing platform that you use. And to integrate that platform, you just have to click on this email collector and then click on this pencil icon. So as you can see, currently it is saying no integrations available, because first you have to click on this create an integrations. And now let's see the integration options. So you can integrate MailChimp, Sendinblue, MailJet, Google Sheet and Notion with this answer list Popup Hero. After that, you can simply collect your emails to the dashboard of the email marketing platform that you choose. Now let's go to the next section, which is look and feel. And here you can change the background image of your pop-up. You can also set the height, the width. You can also set the position in your website, which means the position of your pop-up. You can change the pop-up shadow. You can also change behind the pop-up. And then there are some icons, which means this cross icon. So you can change this icon to this one or this one or this one. I really like how Popup Hero has provided almost all the customizations that are possible with a pop-up. This is really an amazing tool. You can also change the vertical space and horizontal space. So let's change the background image. For that, delete it and then click on upload image. So as you can see, I have uploaded an image and I really like how it has appeared in super high quality in this pop-up. This is really amazing. So then you can simply click on apply and these settings are going to be saved. Then let's go to the next section, which is other colors. From here you can change the background color, the button color, which means this button color, the shadow color and the overlay color. Then there is another section which is behavior. So from here you can set the behavior of your pop-up. For example, when someone closes your widget or the pop-up, is it going to never appear? So you can set that from this section. As you can see, there is an option called never show again, which means if you select it, this pop-up is not going to show again after someone closes it. But you can also make it show again by adjusting this setting. And then there is the custom code section. So from here you can provide a custom CSS, also a custom JavaScript if you want. And then let's go to this other section. So from this other section you can enable SDK. You can also get the widget ID. So once again we are back to the builder section, and in this section I forgot to show you something really important, which is to add block. So from this section you can add a lot of different blocks for different purposes and they are simply amazing. Just have a look. So obviously you can add email collector, countdown timer, iframe. You can also add different types of button. There is also text input, list, table, horizontal buttons. So there are over 22 blocks on Popup Hero's platforms and all of them are simply super useful. So overall I think Popup Hero is one of the best tools when it comes to making pop-ups for your website. A pop-up is super simple and very small and most of the time you are not even going to notice it, but the thing is they play a big role in converting your customers. So if you cannot create a catchy pop-up, the visitors on your website are simply going to close it every single time. And if you do not want that to happen, you just have to use this Popup Hero. And I don't think there is a better time to buy this than right now, because it is available on a lifetime deal on Appsumo. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description. And I think Popup Hero is an amazing tool, especially the drag and drop editor, the templates. They make it super easy to create highly engaging pop-ups. And the best part is you do not have to design anything. You do not have to know coding. You can simply drag and drop your text, your videos, your images, the blogs and whatever you want. So as you can see, these are the features of this Appsumo deal and these are 2 tiers you can buy from this platform. So that's it for today's video. Let us know what you think about this Popup Hero tool. I will get back to you with another video very soon. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.